In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a transaction on MoneyGram. The process is straightforward, but there are a couple of important things you need to know before you try. First, if the money you sent has already been picked up in cash or deposited into the recipient's bank account, you won't be able to cancel it. However, if it's still showing as processing, then you can go ahead and cancel it right in the app. Start by opening the MoneyGram app and logging into your account. On the home screen, look for your recent transactions and select the one you want to cancel. Tap on View Details and scroll down the page. If the transfer hasn't been completed yet, you'll see a button that says Cancel Transaction. Go ahead and tap that. When you do, MoneyGram will ask you to confirm that you want to cancel. Once you confirm, the transaction will be canceled and your money will be refunded back to your original payment method. Just keep in mind that refunds can take up to 7 business days, though in many cases it only takes 2 to 3. So that's all there is to it. As long as the recipient hasn't received the funds yet, you can easily cancel a MoneyGram transfer in just a few steps right from the app. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below